Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to rank up fast in Marvel Rivals. So let's start. As you can see, Marvel Rivals is a game that is growing up little by little in our devices and is gaining a lot of popularity in the society. So for gaining more ranking up fast in Marvel Rivals, what you need to do is focus on consistently winning matches by playing as team, prioritizing objectives, and communicating effectively. Okay, so that's the way to do it, guys. You can check also the official page if you want to check how you can play. What you can download on Steam, PS5, Xbox Series, or Epic Game Store. So if you want to play now, just click on Play Now, and you can check if you can download it. In case that you prefer download, for example, in Steam, you can check here, and if it says it's not available because not all the countries can download it, what I recommend you to do is download a VPN. What is a VPN? The VPN will help you to change your country and download the game that you prefer. In this case, I recommend you NordVPN. NordVPN is the best way to get a VPN function without any problem. So if you use NordVPN, you can unlock shows from anywhere, play games anywhere safely. And with our partner link in the description, you will get a special discount. The link is always down there, so check it out. For using it, when you register in NordVPN, just go to login, and when you are on login, just use your email address and then your password which you register. Then just log in, and when you log in, just go to the principal page here on NordVPN. Then let's go to the left side, and you will find here it says NordVPN. Just click there, just scroll down. Then let's go to manual setup, and when you're on manual setup, here you will find the country. Here you can change the country wherever part you want. So for example, let's say if Marvel Rivals is only available in the United States, so just click here, just choose the country, just scroll down, and let's go to United States. You will find here the country, and here you will find a pass of VPN for United States. Select the one that you prefer. If you want to select this one, just go to the Getouts configuration, and then you can do it. Okay, open the VPN and download the TCP or the UDP. With this, guys, you will have a VPN for your computer, for your device. Now, just change the VPN and you can start downloading the games whatever part of the planet that you are. So guys, I hope this information works for you. Don't forget to click the link in the description for getting your deal on your NordVPN. Thank you for watching. I hope this works for you. Don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.